Tired of credit card transactions turning your bookkeeping into a chaotic mess? Let's dive into QuickBooks Online and I'll show you exactly how to enter those transactions accurately, keeping your financial records crystal clear first. Let's connect your credit card account to QuickBooks. Click on the Banking tab located on the left-hand side of your screen. This is your central hub for connecting all your bank and credit card accounts. Next, click on the Add Account button. You'll see a search bar where you can type in the name of your bank or credit card provider. Select your bank from the list and follow the prompts to securely connect your account. QuickBooks will automatically import your transactions. Now, let's tackle manually entering transactions. This is useful for older transactions or if you prefer a hands-on approach. Click the New button at the top. Then under Vendors, select Expense. Fill out the expense form. Be sure to select the correct date, pay, and most importantly, choose your credit card account from the Payment Account drop-down menu. Then, select the appropriate category, enter the amount, and add a description if needed. Once you've filled out all the information, click Save and Close. Finally, let's talk about reconciliation. This is crucial for ensuring your records match your credit card statement. Go to the Reconcile tab under the Banking. Choose your credit card account and enter the statement ending date and ending balance. QuickBooks will then display your transactions. Simply match them to your statement by checking them off. Once everything is matched and the difference is 0, click Finish Now and that's it. By connecting your bank feed, manually entering transactions, and regularly reconciling your credit card statements, you'll ensure your QuickBooks Online records are accurate and up to date.